So here we are on a Sunday morning here at IBC 2012. One of the places we always love to come and visit at these shows is, of course, Autocue, and here we are again with Paddy. Good morning, Paddy.
Morning, John. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very good. A little bit tired from yesterday, but we'll mosey on. Now, obviously, this year we are looking at something that's close to our heart at the broadcast show, is the Autocue production suite. For those who don't know, tell us a little bit about the production suite.
Okay, so the production suite came out of our video server product range, and it's the easiest way of describing it is a channel in a box. But most channel in a box systems only do a portion of what a TV channel needs. So it's a Linux system using the same architecture and hardware as the video server. In conjunction with our automation and newsroom systems, it gives you everything you need for a TV channel. So if you think about your little local TV, community TV, shopping television channels, they have a set amount of pre-recorded content, and then they have live events. And when they switch between live and pre-recorded, they change devices. Whereas actually we can do it all in one. So the video server with our automation, with our transmission software, can handle the scheduled playback for overnight transmissions, etc. And then when they come into the breakfast show, or they come into the news, or the magazine show, or the shopping content, all they do is change the software that's running. So the scheduling's running the playback for the pre-recorded content, and then our new product, the production suite, the automation vision mixing element goes live, and the video server stops being a traditional playout server, and suddenly you're using the inputs to bring all your cameras in from your studio, all your sort of third-party devices you might have. And you're using the software to do your live vision mixing, your chromicking, your still store, your clip store, everything you need in a traditional live environment. When you finish that portion of your broadcast, you hand back over to the transmission software, and the video server kicks in and plays it out. So that, in collaboration with the prompting, because of course our automation news system integrates together, so you can be doing all your scripting, all your news content. It really is a one vendor solution for the entire workflow. And our experience is the channel in the box systems that exist out there are only ever a proportion of that. So we believe, and certainly the feedback we've had from the show, is that we have a very unique proposition.
So obviously what you're showing here is all these screens effectively connected to one system, so you can distribute the who does what. For example, people can control different parts of the same system.
Absolutely. So that's a really interesting point, because again, traditionally channel in a box solutions are designed to take all the gallery functions and give it to one operator, and we can do that, of course. I mean, that's, if you want to save money within your gallery, that's a great way of doing it. Reduce the number of staff. So a single operator from either software interface or control surface can control the audio mixing and the vision mixing, and clip playouts, etc. But what we found as well, talking to a number of our beta customers, and education customers in particular, they like the idea of one solution from one vendor because it's cost effective, it's reliable, and it's secure. But the point there is, when they do that, unlike a commercial broadcaster, their issue isn't, I want to reduce the number of staff to save cost. Actually, they've got loads of staff, they've got loads of students, and they all need a job. So when we designed the product, we deliberately enabled the control elements to be installed on separate clients. So you're not just using the single operator interface. You can have vision mixing in one workstation, audio mixing on another workstation, playout another workstation. So exactly as you would have in a traditional vision mixing VTR type of environment, but in a software basis. But you can also add control surfaces. So although I'm looking at a software interface here, I can control the software interface, or use the software interface to control the hardware interface. So every kind of eventuality, whether you're a commercial broadcaster or an education customer, is covered.
Brilliant. Now obviously you're demonstrating it here in all its glory. Are people able to order this now?
Yep, we've got a few customers out there already that will be part of the beta testing program. We're taking orders now. We've got some really sort of diverse interest from Micronesia and the Cook Islands all the way through to India and the UK, and we should be shipping next month.
Excellent, Paddy. Now if people want to find out some more information, what's the website they can go to?
www.autocue.com.
Paddy, thank you very much. We use this in BroadcastShow.com live. Always have a look at that. And obviously have a look at their website, find out more about the production suite and of course everything else Autocue offer. And again, everything we're doing here at IBC you will find on our website, which is BroadcastShow.com.